In this lesson 2, we continue to coding data for quantitative research. So we learn how to code what we call self-coding items, such as I have two examples for self-coding item. Likert scale items are conceptualized as cell coding items, and items that use interval and ratio scales are also conceptualized as self-coding items. For example, we go first to Likert scale. I miss school, and then the researcher provide 5 options for the respondents to choose. 1, strongly disagree. 2, disagree. 3, neutral. 4, agree. 5, strongly agree. And the respondent gonna circle one number that reflects their level of agreement or disagreement with the item. So if the participant circle 5, we're gonna enter 5 into Excel software. Another item, I am motivated. I am a motivated learner, and the participant gonna circle, for example, 4. So we don't need to code anything. We're gonna enter 4 into Excel, for example. I am open-minded, and the participant gonna circle one particular number. So the number circle is actually a code already. Another example here, items that use interval and ratio scales. For example, we might ask this question in our research: how old are you? How old are you? And then we provide a blank space for the respondents to enter the actual age. For example, if one respondent entered 25 years old, so we do not need to code anything. What we need to do is to enter 25 into Excel again. Another example, what is your average monthly income? And then we provide a blank space for the respondents to write down the answer. For example, respondent number 10 enter 670 US dollar. So we do not need to code anything. What we need to do is to enter 670 into Excel. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we code what we call self-coding items. Very, very powerful, very easy to handle, very easy to do. So next lesson, we learn some more coding techniques. How are we going to code missing data and invalid data? So basically, the research community agree that a code, a 2-digit code, 88 is appropriate for coding the missing data, and 99 is a good code for coding invalid data. I want to provide an example here. Let's say you survey 125 people, and 5 of them did not answer these questions. For example, you ask this question: what is your gender? And then you provide 2 options, male and female. But 5 5 respondents forgot. Perhaps they forgot, or they were not willing to reveal their gender, and they left the answer blank. So in research, we conceptualize such blank data as missing data. So we're gonna code 88 for the missing data. You're gonna enter 88 into Excel program again. Another item that uh, that is that are used for demonstrating how to code missing data and invalid data is the Likert scale item like this. I miss school, and 5 people, fail to circle a number. So we, researchers or we conceptualize uh, such uh, uh, information, such data as missing data. So we're gonna code 88 for all respondents, 5 respondents who fail to, circle the answer. We're gonna code 88 and enter 88 into Excel program again. The last example I want to demonstrate here, you ask a question. We ask a question. What is your age? And we provide a blank space for the respondents to enter the actual age. And let's say one respondent enter 132 years old. You could imagine you look at the the completed questionnaire, and then you tell yourself, wow, it is not believable. So you conceptualize the answer like this as invalid. So you're gonna enter 99 for this respondent. You enter 99 for the variable age of this respondent. So his age is conceptualized as invalid, and you represent the invalid age by the code 99. Or, ladies and gentlemen, somebody did not write down a number. What is your age? Yeah, he was supposed to enter the actual age, but he wrote a letter B. So you conceptualize this data as an invalid data. Also, it's not missing because uh, at least he wrote down B in this situation, but it does not look right. So you conceptualize it as invalid data, and you code 99 for variable age for that particular respondent. So we are done with SPSS lesson 2 on coding. Thank you.